Manitoga County in southeast Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Cole County in southeast Oklahoma, extreme southeastern Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, Johnston County in southeast Oklahoma, extreme northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Marshall County in southeast Oklahoma, Rudy County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. This storm was located near my low. Ardmore, Salter, Lone Grove, Kishomingo, Davis, Wynwood, Wilson, Stratford, Dixon, Roth, Mansville, Springer, Rabia, Wapanucka, Mill Creek, Millburn. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with no warning. Get to a storm shelter or sturdy building. If a tornado approaches, move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed. Extremely damaging winds are expected. Take shelter now in a sturdy building and stay away from windows.